Today, I'll give you a Finelo trading app review and cover all the important things you need to know before getting started. What is Finelo trading app? Finelo Trading is an app that lets you buy, sell, and manage stocks, crypto, and other financial assets from your phone. It's available on Android and iOS, making it easy to trade on the go. Feature 1. User-friendly interface. The app has a clean and intuitive design. You can quickly view your portfolio, track market trends, and place trades without getting lost in complicated menus. Feature 2. Real-time market data. Finelo provides live prices, charts, and news for all major stocks and cryptocurrencies. This helps you make informed trading decisions quickly. Feature 3. Risk management tools. The app offers stop loss and take profit options, letting you manage risk and protect your investments. You can also set alerts for price movements so you never miss important market changes. Feature 4. Security and privacy. All data is encrypted, and the app supports biometric login like fingerprint or face recognition. This ensures your financial information stays private and secure. Feature 5. Free versus premium. The free version lets you trade basic assets and track your portfolio. The premium version adds advanced analytics, priority support, and additional trading instruments. Choose based on your trading needs and experience level. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.